being able to have somebody do. And then the next goal was, all right, well, let's build a team to be able to do, a little bit more. And then
goal setting has been a fairly big part of the experts' lives. Is that something that was that's been instilled with your regimen as well? Goal setting and reaching for these larger aspects or having these smaller goals of your own.
Definitely. So it's always incremental steps, and which have allowed me to get to where I am now. And then at some point there'll be that one big step, and I'll look back and say, "Well, how did I even get here?" But definitely from okay, well, when I first started out doing rehabs, it's okay, well, I'm only looking for houses that require a minimal amount of work because that's what I felt comfortable being able to have somebody do. And then the next goal was, all right, well, let's build a team to be able to do, a little bit more. And then let's build a team to do full gut rehabs. And then, all right, now let's do new construction. And then from that new construction, where I plan on going is being able to do larger developments. So like multifamily buildings, apartment buildings. I'm actually building them ground up. And then my ultimate goal, if everything goes right in life, I'd love to be able to do skyline impacting projects.
When do you foresee that kind of happening?
Um, I'll say it's probably within like 20 to 30 years. To be able to build a skyscraper is definitely something that, at least in my opinion, is the combination of a lot of work, meeting a lot of people over time, gaining the trust of people over time. So, I'll know if things went right, then, there'll be a skyscraper that I built.